What's going on with it, YouTube? It's your boy Muso back with another Shop Short. So today we had this customer come in. His truck was derated. He was fairly upset that he could barely make it off the highway. I told him his inlet knock sensor was faulty and we're gonna have to replace it. He couldn't believe it. He said, so they'll shut your whole vehicle down for one faulty sensor? Who the hell is making these parts? The Chinese? I told him he was close enough. They actually come from Vietnam. But that's not who you want to take the issue up with. The government make the regulations. The EPA is the reason why they're shutting down your truck.